how to log out of Lasty Survival Shooter. Go ahead to your Lasty Survival Shooter. Now from here you'll have to go ahead to your profile section. Once you're in your profile section, simply go ahead to settings, and then once you're in settings you'll be able to see general options. Simply go ahead and scroll down where you can see log out other device. That pretty means that you will be logged out of other device. So if you want to get logged out of this device, simply use another device in order to log out of this device. So another method is simply you can delete your account by going into this section where you'll have to follow the prompts and then simply press on delete, and you'll be able to delete your account and use the new email to create a new account. Also, you can go ahead to your account section where you will be able to switch your account. You can also change your email. You can simply switch your account. Go ahead to character management. Also, you can create a new character and start new game also. So that's how you pretty much change your account, or pretty much you log out of this account. So those are the ways that you log out of this game. Hopefully this helped. Thank you.